Okay, we're going to try to make an app. Has a button. Click on it. We see a table of names. These come from the model. So we'll go to Xcode and make a new project. Make it a single view application. And table using model demo 4 will be the name of it. And it's making all of the indexed files. Click on Run just to make sure that everything's set up properly. And we should then have a running project. There it is. Now, we need to add a model. If you already have one available from some other project, and I think I do. Yes. I put all of my model files in a folder called model. There it is. So I can just drag that into this other project. Make sure that I copy all the items in case I make changes to the model, and the files should be there. Again, I could run the project, but of course nothing will be different yet because I haven't actually used the model. That comes next. First, go to HW10howToPart1 and add our import statement, and also declare a data member. We call it model just to make things simple. In the appdelegate.m, we can go to the override point for did launch and add a line or two. Here's model alloc init, and notify ourselves that we're in this proper place, and in fact have a line that will display the model using the description method. And let's see if that goes for us. Yes, I think it looks good. So we're in did finish launching, and this is our model. We've passed it into the delegate. The next step is to pass the model on to the view controller. So let's see, how do we do that? Oh yes, we have a line here already that uses init with nib name, but we don't pass the model. So we could use a parameter to pass the model, and if we did that, we would have right here and model. Get a red dot. That's because in the view controller we don't actually have that init method, so we need to add it. Go to viewcontroller.h. Here we can add the import statement and also our data member. Nothing new there, but we want to add the signature for this new init method that we're going to make. We have the nib name, and also then we have the model itself being passed. So in the .m file, we currently have the default view did load, did receive memory warning. There's a little warning message there. It says incomplete implementation. That's because we haven't yet actually added this new method that we need. So let's take a little look at that. It is boilerplate, except for this. That's the key thing. We pass the model and remember it in this new class. And here's a couple of lines just to make us know that indeed the model was passed. So let's see. That runs okay. Yes. And here it says init of the JRK view controller, and the model is listed. Everything seems okay. We'll stop this video at this point.